Good morning. Here we are. We've had a little stop off, and we decided to actually wherever the hell that is. We decided to kayak here, and look at this. So this is the river, and
sweet little spot.
Look at this little spot here, little landing bay. If I can get it into the view. So we're going to jump in there, and then, like I said,
They'll fall in there.
They'll fall in, yeah. Deflate the kayaks in there, and we're going to go off on that. So that is where we are off to today. Oh, I can't wait. Here's the local pumping station.
Don't cost us nothing.
No. We'll just turn the boat round a bit. There you are. I thought you branched out. There's a dragonfly. I got the video out because we've just seen a red kite go overhead. I was hoping the red kite might come back. So that's where it's done. We've been out for a good couple of hours in this extreme heat, and we are hot, sweaty, exhausted. But what a great time.
Thirsty?
Yeah,
Time.
beer time. Beer time.